Hey guys, this is my 1997 Ford F250. This is our first day of the year or one of the first nights of the year where it went below freezing. Currently it's 28 degrees outside, so I'm gonna try a cold start without my truck plugged in. Luckily last night I put the stuff to prevent it from gelling in the tanks last night.
Participation in it. I mean, you know, the photograph, the design, everything. It's
taking a while to warm up the glow plugs. All right, light went out. There you go. Started pretty easily. First full start of the year. You can see the frost all on the hood. It's cold. There's my little brother over there. It's cold. Alright, there it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.